Hey, sixth graders. With this lesson, we're going to cross over into the world of science, as social studies often does. We're going to talk about two different views from history about the relationship between the Earth and the Sun. Let's begin by looking at these two images. At first glance, they look very similar, but I'm sure you've already noticed they are not the same. One is correct, the other is not. What I would like you to do on your worksheet, which should already be in front of you, is answer the first question. Which one of the models on the video looks correct? You're going to put the letter A or B of the correct model on the line next to that question on your worksheet. As you can see in the video, each image has a letter on the bottom left. The image on the left is image A, and the image on the right is image B. Which model is correct, A or B? Go ahead and put your answer on the line. Now take a moment to study these two images. As you can see, the one on the top is the Earth, and the one on the bottom is the Sun. If you need to pause the video for a minute, you may, then come back and continue. So the next question on your worksheet asks what you remember from the two images, the two images that you just looked at. Do you remember what geo is referring to? How about helio? One of them means earth and the other means sun. Write the words earth and sun on the correct lines next to geo and helio. Then look at the next question. The next question, which model of the universe shows the sun at the center? Is it geocentric or heliocentric? Circle the correct answer on your worksheet. Okay, next question. Based on your knowledge of science, which model is believed to be true today? Is it the geocentric model or the heliocentric model? Write either geo or helio on the line. Now watch the rest of the video, then complete the rest of the worksheet. The geocentric model of the universe holds that Earth is the center of the universe and other objects orbit around it. This view was popular in ancient Greece, where the majority of ancient philosophers like Aristotle and Ptolemy thought that the sun, moon, stars, and planets revolved around the Earth. The geocentric belief was based on two perceptions. One, the stars seemed like they revolved around the Earth because the stars near the equator would rise and set each day and then circle back to their original starting point. The second perception was that Earth is a stable mass. It does not feel like it is moving. The first mention of a heliocentric universe is attributed to Aristarchus, somewhere between 312 and 230 BC. Aristarchus also measured the distances between planets and the sizes of planets. His measurements were way too small, but he correctly identified that the sun is bigger than the Earth. Aristarchus's theories controlled Western thought for several centuries. Copernicus, though, is credited with being the first major astronomer to formulate the heliocentric model. The heliocentric model holds that the sun is the center of the universe and Earth and the other planets actually revolve around the sun. Galileo Galilei helped advance the theory of heliocentric universe as well. He also improved the telescope, which allowed for more accurate astronomical observation. He supported Copernicus's heliocentric theory. The Catholic Church prohibited supporting a heliocentric model of the universe because they said it was not proven and disagreed with the scripture. Protestant Bible scholars disagreed with the Catholic view. Galileo was forced to take back heliocentrism and spent the last years of his life under house arrest by order of the Roman Inquisition. After Galileo, heliocentrism started to become more widespread. Scientists like Kepler helped to further advance the theory. The heliocentric model eventually completely replaced the geocentric model. Now take a few more minutes to complete the worksheet, and then we'll be done for this video.